Hey Geek, so if you want to be here on a platform like YouTube or Rumble or any other video-centric platforms, let me tell you, video editing is not needed or required. And you might be thinking, but yeah, it is. All these videos, you're gonna have to learn how to do video editing, gain the skills, and just basically be a video editor as part of your content creation. And while that's true for most people, I'm showing you right now that you don't need to do video editing. So what do I mean by that? Well, you could do videos like this, where there's absolutely no video editing. You press record, you talk about your ideas, your story, or your message, and that is how you could actually be a creator, develop these ideas, and then produce videos without any video editing knowledge. And of course, if you do want to do this for the long term, more than likely you probably will have to learn how to do some video editing. But I'm just here to show you that you do not need to do video editing just to create, as long as you're able to deliver your message and obviously get a lot of practice. Then you can make videos like this where there is no video editing. It is a one-shot video. And honestly, these type of videos I really do like to make, because it's just like me talking to another person. It just so happens to be that it could potentially be somebody else around the world, hundreds of people, thousands, and hopefully maybe millions or even billions of people in the future. And that's what's really awesome about creating video content on the internet. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. It's just whatever is the right for you and the people watching your content. So hopefully that helps you, and that you don't have to really worry about becoming an expert or even a beginner video editor to create content. If you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you on another episode.